Hello friends, welcome to mathematics video lecture series. We are studying complex number and today I want to talk about rotation of a complex number. Let's begin. Rotation of a complex number. And I've told you in the previous lecture on the exponential form that exponential form can be used to rotate a complex number. In fact, any form can be used, but the use of exponential form is very easy. Okay, so we use the exponential form to rotate a complex number. Let's see how. Okay, so suppose this is the Argand plane and I have a complex number z whose argument is theta. So this length of complex number will be represented by mod z. Okay, suppose I want to rotate this complex number to a new point z dash, and I want to rotate it by an angle alpha. Okay, so obviously if the length of z is mod z, then the length of z dash should also be mod z, because I'm just rotating the complex number. I am not increasing or decreasing the length of the complex number, so length will remain the same, mod z. Let us use the exponential form now. Let's see. I can write z as mod z, which is the length, into e to the power I theta. This represents the magnitude of complex number. This represents the argument. I have already covered this in the previous lecture. Now I want to rotate it and change it into z dash. So I can write z dash will be equal to mod z, because the length is same, e to the power I. Now this complex number z dash is making an angle alpha plus theta with the positive direction of x-axis. So I can write it as theta plus alpha. Let me break it down. E to the power I theta into e to the power I alpha. Okay. What is this mod z e to the power I theta? This is nothing but z. So I can write z dash is nothing but z into e to the power I alpha. And this is the important result. So basically, if you have a complex number z and you want to transform it into a complex number z dash, then all you need to do is you need to multiply the original complex number with e to the power I alpha. Okay. Okay. So to rotate a complex number z by angle alpha in anti-clockwise direction, this is very important. I am rotating it by in anti-clockwise direction. Multiply z with e to the power I alpha. Similarly, for clockwise direction, multiply by e to the power I minus alpha. Okay, if you want to rotate it in anti-clockwise direction, you multiply by alpha, and if you want to rotate it clockwise direction, you multiply by minus alpha. Okay, let's see some illustration. So suppose let me just tell you one more thing. Basically, suppose I want to rotate I want to rotate a complex number by 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. I want to rotate a complex number by 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Then what should I do? I should multiply the complex number with e to the power I 90 degree, and e to the power I 90 degree can be written as cos 90 degree plus I sin 90 degree. Okay, cos 90 degree is 0, sin 90 is 1. So what I get? I. So to rotate any complex number by 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction, multiply by I, simple iota, multiply it with iota. And if you want to rotate it in clockwise direction, then you multiply by minus iota. Let's take an example. Suppose I have a complex number, let us say the complex number is 5i. So on the argand plane, this is 0.5, this is 5, this is minus 5, and this is also minus 5. So this is the complex number z. Okay, this is the complex number. Suppose I want to rotate z by 90 degree. The initial argument of z is 90. I want to rotate it further 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction here. So what will be the new complex number that I'll get? So you can see from the diagram very easily, if this is the complex number, by rotation by 90 degree, I'll get this complex number. Z dash should be equal to minus 5, and there will be no iota because z dash is on the real line. This is the real line. So there will be no iota. It's a real number. Now let us use our formula. I have z is equal to 5i. I want to rotate it by 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. I just told you to rotate any complex number by 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. All you need to do is multiply by iota. So 5i into iota, 5i square, this is minus 5. Okay, very simple. Suppose further you want to rotate by 90 degree, this is z dash, so z double dash will be equal to minus 5 into iota, so minus 5i. Yes, this is what we are getting. And further, then again with I, so you'll get 5. Okay, so this illustration I think helps you to understand what to do and how to rotate a complex number in the argand plane. Okay, it's a very useful expression in problem solving. It's a very hot topic as far as competitions is concerned. We'll deal with problems in a later video. As of now, I'm just covering the basic ideas how to go about solving any question. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video lecture with a new topic. Stay tuned and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.